Thank you for visiting. Today, we are going to talk about friendship. Have you ever wondered what friendship is? Do you know how to be a friend helping friends? Bunny and I are going to be talking about friendship, what it means, and how to learn to be a better friend. Keep watching because at the very end, we'll make special hugs and thank you cards. So, if you're ready, let's go find Bunny. Bunny! Bunny! Oh, hi, Bunny. I thought you and I were going to clean up the playroom today.
You're right, Coco. We were, but I found out Aunt Cindy isn't feeling well today, so I asked Mama if I could go visit her and cheer her up.
Oh, that's such a good idea. I didn't know Aunt Cindy wasn't feeling well, but I do know she'll start feeling better when you go and visit. She always loves seeing friends and family.
That's the idea. I'm going to cheer her up because she's my favorite aunt, and she's always been so kind to me.
Me too.
I remember when I moved from the farm and Aunt Cindy took me to see all the fun things I would like at my new home in the city.
I remember because she took me too.
Yes, she did. You know, Coco, I was such a country bunny, but Aunt Cindy didn't mind. She liked me just the way I was, and we had such a fun time together.
She liked me just the way I was too, and I liked that she included me so many times because she knew we would all have so much fun together.
I'm glad that we were together because you and Aunt Cindy helped me feel less scared about leaving the farm. I felt happy because I knew she made sure I already had friends that I could trust and count on.
That's right, Bunny. You did.
Then she took us to movies, museums, the mall, and the playground. She was always there when I had a problem and just needed a friend. Have you ever felt like you needed a friend?
Everyone needs a good friend, and everyone has the chance to be a good friend, Bunny. I like the fact that Aunt Cindy would go places we invited her to as well. Remember when we took her to the Arboretum?
That was so much fun. We looked at all the flowers and butterflies.
Then she went to the art museum with us.
It was a Van Gogh exhibit, and Van Gogh is my favorite artist.
It was a great exhibit, and Bunny, do you remember we rode the trolley to the museum?
Yes, we did, and Aunt Cindy laughed and laughed.
Yes, she did.
We also went out of town to the river walk, and we rode the canal boats on the river.
It was fiesta time, and we collected medals and watched the floats go down the river.
I will never forget how much fun we had.
Me either. We have had so many happy times and have made so many happy memories. I'm so grateful I have Aunt Cindy and you and all my friends in my life. So, Bunny, I know how important Aunt Cindy is to our family, and we definitely want to see her get better soon. So let me help by cleaning up the playroom so that you can go visit her.
You don't mind doing that for me?
I don't mind at all. That's what friends are for.
Thank you so much, Coco. Thank you for being my friend.
You're my friend too, Bunny. It's nice to have so many dear friends. Friends are important to me, and friendship means something to me.
friendship means something to all of us.
What does friendship mean to you? This is what Aunt Cindy taught me about friendship. Aunt Cindy's words of wisdom. Friendship. It means something. Friendship is not about being perfect. It's about caring, sharing, and being trustworthy. It means doing what we say we'll do and listening without interrupting a person when they are talking. Friendship is about understanding your friend's problem before giving advice and being respectful with what you say and do. Friendship is about acceptance. It's about not judging people and about doing no harm to others. Friendship includes apologizing when we're wrong, forgiveness when due, and moving forward to make new and happy moments. Friendship is when people care about each other. Friendship is about feeling safe, valued, and understood, and returning the same to your friend. Most importantly, to have a friend is to be a friend. So, Bunny, I see you have your backpack ready to go.
I do. I packed a game, Aunt Cindy's favorite book, and Baby Bear.
Perfect. Maybe I could go visit tomorrow.
She would like that very much.
Yes, she would. Isn't it nice to have a friend? Friends are fun, and friendship means something very special.
It also means sharing happy dances, too.
Is it happy dance time? Yes, it is. Happy dance time!
Happy dance time, everyone! Happy dance time!
Coco, Flea, and Bunny decided to make hugs and thank you cards to show that they were grateful for the love and kindness that made their lives better every single day. It's nice to be grateful for even the simplest things and for the wonderful people who love, help, and care for us. It's good to say thank you. Remember to think of all the things that you are grateful for and be sure to add them to your gratitude journal. Now, would you like to learn how to make hugs and thank you cards? Great! Let's get started!